YouTube, what's going on? Good morning. Good morning. Before it started raining, thunderstorm and crazy around 2 o'clock. I'm at work. I should have called the fuck out. Stayed in the house. I should have did. I was hoping it was going to start early in the morning, all crazy. That gave me a reason to call the fuck out. Man. Let's see how this day play out today. Other than that, I'm keeping myself focused, staying out of the way. Yeah. Staying out of the way. Other than that, everybody have a blessed day. Hit the notification. I'm trying to get these lights up. Subscribe to my channel.